Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Pinnacle Deflecto SK5WF Super Flex Dry Vent Kit. This 4" x5 white louvered kit is a game changer for dryer ventilation. It's UL listed, ensuring safety and reliability, and features the Super Vent hood with 2 secure clamps. Made from fire-resistant materials, this kit offers peace of mind. Its flexible design makes installation a breeze, while the clever design maximizes exhaust flow for efficient drying. The 4.3-star rating on Amazon speaks volumes. Customers praise its ease of use and effectiveness. This kit is lightweight at just 1.2 pounds, making it easy to handle and maneuver. Upgrade your dryer ventilation system with the Pinnacle Deflecto SK5WF and say goodbye to inefficient drying. Remember to subscribe for more product reviews and helpful home improvement tips. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video useful. See you in the next one.